I've seen students stuck at 50 carats, 60 carats, 70 carats and not having the confidence that they can get it done. रैंडम पढ़ाई करते हैं, जीटी देने का मन करता है तो जीटी देते हैं तो उसको ठीक से रिव्यू नहीं करते. एंड टुडे some of those people have gone on to get top 10k ranks with us. So this video is for you. अगर आप 50, 60, 70 करेक्ट्स पे हो कहीं पे भी, तो कैसे स्केल करना है यहाँ से, क्या मेथड है और मैंने क्या किया उनके साथ. सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना, चैनल को डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब कर लो. लेट्स क्रैक नीट पीजी टुगेदर. सबसे पहले दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है, होता क्या है, जो पढ़ रहे हो, वट एवर यू आर रीडिंग, यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल दैट. वाई? बिकॉज देर इज अ डीके टाइम. Whenever you read something new, if you're not revising it well enough, then the information keeps decaying and you don't know anything once your first read is done. The second one is you keep taking notes of everything that you read. There are a lot of notes and in the end you are not able to revise any of them. Third is the exact execution paralysis that the exam is testing. What happened before this INICT was not something new. A lot of people chickened out in the end, and the same quantity, even 20 times people will chicken out before the NEET PG exam as well. So what you need to do is solve enough questions कि लास्ट में जाके तुम खत्म ना हो जाए, तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म ना हो जाए, तुम्हारे को डर ना लगे. इट जस्ट शुड सीम लाइक अनदर GT, just like it seems to all of our students. So what you need to do is properly manage your time in solving enough and not doing only and only theory. Wasting time is not a possibility at this point of time. You just have 60 to 70 days to the exam, right? We cannot waste time, we cannot do it. We have to properly each and every day have a target, have a plan. So if you come to us today, we will do the baseline setting, we will do the CCTs. Even if you are in your first read, even if you are in your first or second revision, we will plan everything according to that. So at day 1 we will do the CCT, have a baseline analysis, then we will have smart heat map analysis, then we will set custom targets based on objective and subjective analysis, and then we'll begin with the grind. And with this comes a lot of accountability. 2 to 3 times a day, weekly check-in calls, all of these things will do it for you so that you are battle ready. By the end of 65 days, you are ready to sit for that exam and execute and get the government clinical seat. So what do you need to do is just fill out the Google form given below so that we can do your CCTs. We will have the extreme strength and weakness analysis, and we have a plan according to that. According to that, we have a plan so that we can focus on the specific areas of a specific subject and improve, because each and every single day is essential in this journey since time is of the essence. We have very little time to make and waste time, right? So it is essential कि हम लोग इस चीज़ पे ढंग से काम करें. Stop treating each mistake as the same. Some are conceptual, some are recall errors, some are silly mistakes. So we need to fix all of these things. For that, we'll have weak zone heat map analysis and custom targeting. And then we will have our digital ecosystem, the digital library, the schedules, the timetables, the reports, the my notebooks, the revision schedules and goal settings. बस नीचे दिया हुआ गूगल फॉर्म भरना है और कुछ नहीं करना. 2 से 3 रिविजन्स करेंगे, बैटल रेडी होंगे, GTs देंगे, GT के रिव्यू होंगे, GT के एनालिसिस होंगे. इवन वी विल हैव psychiatry sessions for burnout and all of these things. So you just need to sign up for this, and this is a very effective program that has worked out for a lot of people. बहुत सारे लोगों के इंटरव्यूज ऑलरेडी हमने पोस्ट किए, बहुत सारे लोगों के रिजल्ट्स हमने ऑलरेडी पोस्ट किए. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बी समवन हु वांट्स टू क्रैक इट इन दिस अटेम्प्ट, अगर इसी को गवर्नमेंट क्लिनिकल सीट निकालनी है इसी अटेम्प्ट के अंदर, अकाउंटेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा एसेंशियल है. हर दिन को यूटिलाइज, ईच एंड एवरी डे हैज़ टू बी यूटिलाइज्ड वेल, क्योंकि टाइम काफ़ी कम है. सो एक ही छोटी सी चीज़ करनी है, 73 से अगर 155 तक जाना है इन बच्चों की तरफ जिनकी टॉप रैंक्स आई हैं, जिनकी तगड़ी रैंक्स आई हैं. फास्ट ट्रैक बैच के लिए एनरोल करना है जिसमें सारे फीचर्स हैं तुम्हारे डैशबोर्ड पे जो दिख रहे हैं, एनालिटिक्स, इन्वायरमेंट एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. these are the three things that are required for 150 plus corrects in the next 60-65 days. All the very best. Thanks for watching. अगर कुछ भी help चाहिए definitely reach out to me on my WhatsApp number which is 91163 24253. All the very best. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.